Google offers a wide range of tools and services that cater to various needs, from productivity and cloud computing to artificial intelligence and development. Here's a list of some of the most notable Google tools. Google Search, the most popular search engine used to find information on the web. Google Drive, a cloud storage service where users can store, share, and collaborate on files. It includes Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and other Office tools. Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides, online word processing, spreadsheet, and presentation tools, respectively, that allow real-time collaboration. Gmail, Google's email service, widely known for its efficiency, large storage, and integration with other Google tools. Google Calendar, a time management and scheduling tool to organize appointments, meetings, and reminders. Google Maps, a mapping service that provides directions, real-time traffic updates, and local business information. 7. Google Photos, a photo storage and sharing service with automatic backup, editing features, and organization tools. Google Meet, a video conferencing tool used for virtual meetings and online collaboration. Google Chat, a communication tool designed for teams, offering direct messaging and group chats for collaboration. 10. Google Keep, a note-taking service where users can store notes, checklists, and reminders. It integrates with other Google tools like Docs and Calendar. Google Analytics, tool for tracking and analyzing website traffic and user behavior to improve marketing strategies and website performance. 12. Google Ads, an advertising platform that allows businesses to create and manage ads on Google's search engine and other networks. 3. Google Cloud Platform, GCP, a suite of cloud computing services, including data storage, machine learning, big data, analytics, and computing power for developers and enterprises. Google Translate, a translation service supporting over 100 languages, useful for translating text, web pages, and even images. Google Chrome, a fast and secure web browser developed by Google, known for its speed and simplicity. 16. Google Docs Editors, a collection of online productivity tools such as Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides to create and edit documents, spreadsheets, and presentations collaboratively. 17. Google Fonts, a library of free, open-source fonts that can be used on websites or other digital projects. 8. Google Forms, tool to create surveys, questionnaires, and feedback forms, allowing users to collect responses easily. 9. Google Sites, a website builder that lets users create simple websites with drag-and-drop tools, useful for personal or team collaboration sites. 6. Google Scholar, a search engine for scholarly articles, theses, books, and patents, useful for academic research. Google Tag Manager, a tool to manage and deploy marketing tags, small pieces of code, without needing a developer. Google Search Console, a tool to help webmasters monitor and maintain their site's presence in Google search results. 3. Google News, a news aggregation service that provides up-to-date information from various sources based on your preferences. Google Play, the digital distribution service for Android apps, games, music, movies, books, and other content. 5. Google Analytics. 4. The latest version of Google Analytics, offering enhanced event tracking, machine learning insights, and more integration options. 6. Google Voice, a voice communication service allowing users to make calls, send texts, and voicemail through their Google account. 7. Google AI and TensorFlow machine learning and artificial intelligence tools and frameworks for building smart applications. Google Keep, a note-taking and task management application designed for organizing ideas, lists, and reminders. Google Play Music, replaced by YouTube Music, a music streaming service offering music purchasing, listening, and subscription services, now part of YouTube Music. Eat. Google Wallet, a mobile payment system that allows users to store payment methods, tickets, and passes for easy access. These tools cater to a range of functions, from personal productivity to business management, research, and development.